Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of new and pre-owned inventory, over 350 units total in stock, ready for immediate delivery. This particular unit in front of us is a brand new arrival to dealership and a very hard Jeep to find. It's a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Sahara with the Rocky Ridge K2 package on it. This vehicle has a bunch of extra goodies, and we're going to start on the front, work our way around and kind of show you them. On the front, you're going to notice on top of the hood, you're going to have the upgraded aftermarket, very cool hood, along with your 50-inch light bar right above the front window. Also on the front, you're going to notice your headlights. They are a little bit of bluish in color. That's because they are an LED upgraded headlight. Also on the front bumper, you're going to notice a real heavy, sturdy steel bumper with cube lighting in the center. Also, you're going to have a 10,000-pound synthetic rope winch built into it. Don't look like it's ever really been used. For the tire and wheel combo we chose on this particular unit, it's an 18-inch rim wrapped in a Baja ATZ P3 tire. Very nice Mickey Thompson tire. As you can see, it has upgraded running boards, tinted windows throughout, which is a super nice feature, especially when you're trying to keep that heat out. It does have a 5th wheel and tire combo on this unit. Very hard thing to find when it comes to a used Jeep. A lot of guys only do the 4 tires and leave the back one as a factory. This one is actually a 5th upgraded, same exact rim, same exact tire combo. Rear, as you can see, rear bumper steel, also with a brand new hinge for the bigger tire and wheel to accommodate it. This vehicle is equipped with a 3.6 liter Pentastar motor. Plenty of power, plenty of torque to go ahead and turn these tires and wheels when you're off-road, and definitely very nice on the highway when you're trying to keep that 70-75 mile an hour speed. With it being a Sahara, there's a bunch of factory upgraded stuff. One thing that's nice is the brown factory leather. It also has the Sahara logo built into it. This vehicle does have power locks, power windows, and power mirrors as a standard option from the factory. On the steering wheel, you're going to notice on the left-hand side, the 4 buttons right here. What them buttons do is they're going to operate your instrument cluster that is located right under your miles per hour gauge. It's going to show you comparable things: miles per gallon, digital speed, your readout as far as that goes, what direction you're heading, and there's a bunch of other different features it'll show you in there. Right above that, you're going to have all your buttons for your hands-free Bluetooth capability. So you can pair your phone with this particular Jeep, and you no longer have to pick up your phone while you're driving down the road. Simply hit the button and carry on the conversation through your speaker system. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to have all your buttons for your cruise control. On the back of the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your controls to operate your radio volume. And then on the left hand behind the steering wheel, you're going to have all your buttons to operate where you can change your channel on your radio. Really nice feature when driving down the road. Really nice radio here. It's all touchscreen. You do have AM, FM, satellite radio. And it looks like the previous owner left their satellite radio hooked up. So if you buy it in time, you would have a short period or maybe a long period of free satellite radio. Really nice feature. Power windows are located right here. Right under that, you're going to have all your buttons to operate your heat and air system. Air does blow ice cold, is on right now. It does have heated seat for your driver and passenger side. And right here is where you're going to operate your side mirrors. Nice center console to match the seating. You're also going to have your winch control, which is in that compartment. And then you're also going to have another compartment right here for small knickknacks. One thing I didn't mention is this is a 3-piece hardtop on this particular Jeep, which is a super nice feature when it comes to taking off the Jeep top. So if you just want to take off the front two sections above the driver and passenger seat, you can do so. They weigh about 20 pounds a piece, and they come off by just flipping a couple levers. Super nice feature when you're the only one, you want to get some wind in your hair, you can just take off them 2 things. Or if you'd like to take off the back also, you can. You just need usually 2 people to take it off. And also, I did not mention on the exterior, when it comes to this top, this is a painted 3-piece hardtop. So that is an option from the factory, and not a lot of guys will do that when ordering them from the factory. It's a super cool feature if you're trying to make your Jeep monochromatic. And again, this is a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Sahara, Rocky Ridge upgraded package, 3.5-inch lift, aftermarket wheels and tires, aftermarket front bumpers. You got a winch, you got a real nice 50-inch light bar. You also got cube lighting on the front, along with LED lighting upgrade for your regular headlights. Aftermarket upgraded hood with many more options. If you're interested in this vehicle, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button so you're notified of all of our new and upcoming brand new arrivals to the dealership, because vehicles like this, especially vehicles like this, do not last long. And like always, for the best deal in the country when it comes to a lifted Jeep Wrangler, please give us a call at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.